greetings from Ramni. I, Navdeep Ahuja,
and I, Ujashvi Budlakoti, are pleased to present to you the latest edition of Ramni's News Bulletin, your trusted source for news updates and achievements from our school community.
In this news bulletin, we will share with you the latest developments, event highlights, and student accomplishments.
On 2nd October, St. Mary's Convent College organized an event celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. The day started with an assembly conducted by the students of class 11 under the able guidance of Miss Anupa Joshi. The assembly honored Mahatma Gandhi's teachings on cleanliness and social responsibility.
Our principal, Reverend Sister Manjusha, encouraged the students to embody Gandhi's vision through their action.
As we reflect about these two great leaders, Gandhiji and Lal Bahadur Shastri, they have given a lot to the nation. They sacrificed their life in order to give us freedom, in order to liberate us from the clutches of evil that was existing in the society. And it is right for us to be here as students to honor these two great leaders. While honoring them, we imbibe those qualities into our lives.
Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, with his non-violent resistance, we sparked a revolution. He fought for justice, equality, and freedom. His message of peace echoed in each of his visions.
Following the assembly, the students and staff participated in a cleanliness drive inspired by Gandhi's Swachh Bharat mission. The students enthusiastically cleaned school premises and ventured into surrounding streets and parks, picking up litter and sweeping.
On 2nd of October, Ramni participated in the dance competition organized by Acharya Narendra Dev Rashtriya Udyogik Vyavsayi Prashikshan Sansthan Khel and bagged the first position. We are thankful to Ms. Kusum Sharma and Ms. Deepthi Pathak for accompanying the students. The Universal Solidarity Movement is a global initiative that promotes unity and collective action among individuals and communities. A poster-making competition was held on 4th of October on the occasion of Dashara. The winners were: we thank Ms. Shelja Joshi, Ms. Vandana Pant and Ms. Rita Pandey for guiding the students. Ramni conducted a parents-teacher meet on 5th October for classes 6 to 12. The meeting aims to discuss the progress and concerns of day scholars, promoting a collaborative approach to support their academic journey.
The 16th Inter-School Taekwondo Championship 2024 was held on 5th and 6th of October in Govardhan Hall, Malital, Nainital. Demonstrating exceptional skill and dedication, the students of St. Mary's Convent College participated in this event.
On 6th October, 6 students of St. Mary's Convent College proudly represented the school at NASA Space App Challenge held at Bidla Institute of Applied Sciences in collaboration with Astroverse. This prestigious event provided an opportunity for students to engage in hands-on space exploration projects and learn valuable skills in STEM.
On the same day, our school community came together to support a vital cause, breast cancer awareness. Our students and teachers joined forces with the Asha Foundation to participate in a rally, promoting awareness and early detection. We are proud of their collective effort to make a positive impact.
Further that day, an art competition was held by New Club Nainital, in which the students of Ramni once again showcased their exceptional artistic talents by participating and winning in the new club on the spot painting competition. The winners are:
on 7th October, Class 10A conducted an informative and engaging assembly on the topic of Dashera, expertly led by Ms. Namita Adhikari. the students showcased their knowledge and creativity, delving into the significance and cultural importance of the festive occasion. The assembly was a resounding success, leaving the audience with a deeper understanding and appreciation of the triumph of good over evil.
On 7th October, we had the privilege of hosting Dr. Renu Arya from the High Court of Nainital, who gave an inspiring and enriching presentation to our students on holistic living. She emphasized the importance of Ayurveda, yoga, and other living practices for a balanced and fulfilling life. A heartfelt thank you to Dr. Arya for sharing her wisdom and knowledge with us. On 10th October, Astro Pathshala organized a quiz on space knowledge for students of classes 3 to 5 in the first half and classes 6 to 8 in the second half. The quiz sparked curiosity and enthusiasm among young learners, testing their understanding of cosmos and beyond.
This is the Milky Way classified as 3,
2, 1. Team 1.
spiral. It's the correct answer. Very good, team A.
I just want to know what is the response that you get from the other schools? Among all the schools, which schools does it well? The question will be answered by Shubham sir and the credit will go to the students.
Actually, we are teaching and we have even taught to more than 25,000 students, but the energy I saw in you, and I especially want to thank you, ma'am, because you believe in us. When we approached the school, we were nothing. It is almost our second school, and this is the first school we have set up the Astro Lab in entire Uttarakhand. Your school is the first school.
On 12th October, Ramli celebrated a momentous occasion, Sister Adelaide's 70th Jubilee. This milestone marked a lifetime of dedication, service and love. Heartfelt congratulations to Sister Adelaide on this remarkable achievement.
Thank you, dear teachers, for coming together. It's good to have you together sometime. Thank you, sister.
Our basketball team participated in the Amar Dhillon tournament hosted by All Saints College, Nainital, playing fiercely on 14th, 15th and 16th of October. Their hard work and teamwork paid off as they clinched the runner-up cup. Congratulations to all the players on their impressive performance and well-deserved achievement.
On 16th October 2024, the students of St. Mary's Convent College participated in a vibrant fest held at St. Joseph's College. The event was an exciting and enriching experience for all, filled with a variety of creative and competitive activities. The students took part in several on-stage and off-stage events. We are grateful to our principal, Reverend Sister Manjusha, for giving us this opportunity. We would also like to thank Ms. Bima Raval, Ms. Donia Charles and Ms. Deepthi Pathak for accompanying the students.
The students of Class 2 took center stage to conduct a meaningful assembly under the expert guidance of their teacher, Ms. Ritu Gangola. The thought-provoking theme of the assembly was Helping Hands, emphasizing the importance of lending support to those around us. The assembly concluded with an inspiring address by our esteemed principal, Reverend Sister Manjusha.
Hands can be used in different ways and for different purposes. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Imagine that if you have no hands. If you have no hands. It's difficult, no? Yes, sir. And even those who don't have hands, God gives them a special blessing, so they will be using their leg, their mouth to read, write, all these things, they are also not depressed or dissatisfied.
A Diya decorating competition was held on 18th of October on the occasion of Diwali for the students of USM. The winners were on 18th October, a university fair was organized by the Rotary Club at St. Mary's Convent College, providing our students with an invaluable opportunity to explore their higher education options. 10 universities visited our school, offering insights and guidance to help our students to take decisions about their future academic pursuits.
On the evening of 18th October, Astro Pathshala hosted a mesmerizing sky observation session for parents and students of classes 2 to 4. Together, they explored the night sky, discovering constellations and deepening their understanding of the cosmos.
Our students participated in the Hindi debate competition held at Bharatiya Shaheed Sainik Vidyalaya on 19th October. The competition was organized by Lake City Welfare Club Nainital. The students demonstrated their remarkable abilities. In today's digital age, cyberbullying has become a pressing concern for schools, parents, and students. To address this issue, Ramni recently organized a comprehensive orientation. The orientation was hosted by Mr. Harshit Pandey. The orientation, held on October 19th, was divided into 3 sessions for parents, students from classes 4 to 8, and students and teachers for classes 9 to 12. The expert speaker covered crucial topics including online safety tips, digital etiquette, cyberbullying prevention strategies, reporting and addressing online harassment, safe browsing habits, strong password creation, identifying phishing, spam, and AI-generated videos.
Students of Ramni participated in an on-spot art competition organized by Sharda Sangh on 20th October. The students were accompanied by Ms. Shelja Joshi and Ms. Nirmala Sarwan. Ramni got the overall trophy for the best school with 19.5 points, the highest that has been achieved in the last decade. The results were as follows. On 21st October 2024, Class 9A and B presented an assembly on Diwali and reflected on the values of Lord Ram, the importance of lighting the diyas, and the virtues that radiates through every individual. Under the guidance of Ms. Darshana Bhakuni, the spirit of the assembly was over the peak.
Amidst the glory of autumn glows, the festival of Diwali ever flows. A festival so bright, filled with illuminating lights. Burning diyas blaze the night. Through Ayodhya's gates, an ancient tale unfolds. A narrative of the eminent Ram was told.
Our principal, Reverend Manjusha's word, travelled through our deepest hearts and minds, which then led to the end.
The one who walks in light will never stumble. Dear students, we hear a lot about the celebrations, very especially the Festival of Light. And the Festival of Light removes the darkness. It is only the light can overpower darkness. No other thing can do that. It's only the light that can overpower the darkness. So this celebration of Diwali reminds us that what is dark in me to be removed.
On 24th of October, the interactors of St. Mary's Convent College Nainital took part in a polio awareness rally to promote the importance of vaccination. They helped raise awareness about eradicating polio and the need for immunization to protect children's health. We thank Ms. Anubha Joshi for accompanying the students. Ramni School recently showcased its students' talent in a spectacular 2-day art, science, and astro exhibition. held on October 25th and 26th. The event provided parents with a glimpse into their child's creative and innovative endeavors. October 25th saw the exhibition open to parents of day scholars. Reverend Sister Sheba, the school manager, inaugurated the event, setting the tone for an inspiring showcase. On the same day, from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock, the exhibition was open to the students. On October 26th, parents of Border attended the exhibition, beaming with pride as they witnessed their child's accomplishments. As the exhibition came to a close, the Borders as well as the day scholars of Ramni eagerly bid farewell to their peers and teachers, excited to embark on their Diwali holidays.
And that's a wrap for October's News Bulletin. Join us again for November News Edition, featuring the latest news, events and accomplishments.